Ever wondered how high-tech drones are revolutionizing life on the farm? It's a question that's sparking a lot of interest, and for good reason. These aren't your average hobby drones. We're talking about sophisticated flying machines packed with technology that's changing the face of agriculture as we know it. Let's find out. We're going to dive deep into the world of agricultural drones and uncover the amazing ways they're helping farmers boost their yields, save resources, and create a more sustainable future. Today, drones are transforming the way we farm. They're not just a futuristic fantasy anymore. They're a practical, everyday tool that's becoming essential for modern agriculture. Drones are making field mapping, which used to be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, pest control, a critical aspect of farming, and crop health management, ensuring the vitality and productivity of crops faster and easier than ever. Imagine covering vast fields in a fraction of the time, with greater accuracy and detail. That's the power of drones in agriculture. Here's how it works. We'll break down the process step by step so you can understand exactly how drones are revolutionizing these key areas of farming. With just a few clicks, using user-friendly software and intuitive controls, drones equipped with high-res cameras and sensors, specifically designed for agricultural applications, fly over your fields, capturing a wealth of data and imagery, snapping detailed images from above. These images are incredibly high resolution, providing a level of detail that was previously impossible to achieve with traditional methods. These are stitched together to create a precise map, a comprehensive visual representation of your entire field that shows everything, providing a wealth of information at your fingertips. From crop distribution, understanding where different crops are planted and how they're spaced, to soil differences and slopes. This detailed analysis helps farmers make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and planting strategies. But it gets even better. The capabilities of agricultural drones extend far beyond simple mapping and imaging. Drones can use something called NDVI, a powerful tool for assessing crop health, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. It's a key metric for understanding the health and vigor of your crops. It sounds fancy, and the technology behind it is quite sophisticated, but it's basically a way to spot healthy crops, identifying areas of lush, vibrant growth and stressed areas, pinpointing regions where crops are struggling due to disease, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. By analyzing how plants reflect light, different wavelengths of light are absorbed and reflected differently by healthy and unhealthy plants, providing valuable insights into their condition. You get a clear map showing which patches are thriving, highlighting the areas of your field that are performing optimally and which need attention, allowing you to focus your resources and efforts where they're needed most, so you can act early. This proactive approach can prevent small problems from escalating into major crises, saving you time, money, and potential crop losses. When it comes to pests, drones are a game changer. They offer a revolutionary approach to pest management, providing farmers with unprecedented levels of control and efficiency. They quickly scan huge areas, covering vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional scouting methods, spotting trouble before it spreads. Early detection is key to effective pest control, and drones excel at identifying infestations in their early stages. High-res and multispectral images highlight pest hotspots, revealing areas where pests are concentrated and causing damage, letting you step in before damage gets out of hand, allowing for targeted interventions that minimize the impact on the environment and beneficial insects, and saving you money on pesticides. By targeting only the affected areas, you can significantly reduce the amount of pesticides you use, leading to cost savings and environmental benefits. But there's more to the story of drones in agriculture. The benefits extend beyond mapping and pest control. Precision spraying. This is where drones truly shine, offering a level of accuracy and efficiency that's unmatched by traditional methods. Instead of blanket spraying your whole field, which can be wasteful and harmful to the environment, drones deliver exactly the right amount, precisely calculated and applied based on the specific needs of each area of pesticide or fertilizer, ensuring that crops receive the nutrients and protection they need without over-application, only where it's needed. This targeted approach minimizes waste, reduces environmental impact, and maximizes the effectiveness of your inputs. That means lower costs, reducing your expenses on pesticides, fertilizers, and other inputs, less labor, freeing up your time and resources to focus on other important aspects of your farm and a healthier environment. By reducing pesticide use and minimizing waste, drones contribute to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural system. Ready to get started? Taking the first step into the world of agricultural drones can seem daunting, but it's easier than you might think. Head over to www.agric4profits.com, your one-stop resource for all things related to agricultural technology, for step-by-step guides, providing clear and concise instructions on how to implement drone technology on your farm, expert advice, connecting you with experienced professionals who can answer your questions and provide personalized guidance, and a community of fellow farmers. Connect with other agricultural professionals, share your experiences, and learn from their successes and challenges. They even offer free consultancy, providing you with the opportunity to discuss your specific needs and challenges with an expert, especially for African women in agriculture. Agric for Profits is committed to empowering women in agriculture and providing them with the resources and support they need to succeed. Always visit www.agric4profits.com, your trusted source for the latest information and resources on agricultural technology, to learn more and subscribe for updates. Stay informed about the latest advancements in agricultural technology and discover new ways to improve your farming practices.